Welcome to my channel. My name is Rockstarjoehang, but you can call me Rockstar for short. How is everybody doing today? The biggest lie that we all tell ourselves is that we have all the time in the world, which is the biggest lie. Couldn't make a video yesterday because I missed the gym for the first time this month in December, and it's because I had to work on set. I had this music video I had to shoot, which was fun. We got to shoot in this warehouse. Just thinking about being away from America for 2 months. It's kind of like super interesting and scary at the same time. And they had this big LED panel, so that was something new, something different. I know when I was young, I really didn't look too far to the future. I was just busy doing my YOLO life. December 9th, and I just realized like my birthday is coming up in 11 days. December 20th. Shoutouts to all those Sagittarius out there. The world needs you. They need your optimism. They need your spontaneity. They need your good energy that you bring to this planet. We get so comfortable in our ways and what we do, and to be in another country legitly for 2 months, that's freaking awesome in its own. Not really just thinking about my future as much, but that just changes as the years go by, because they come by so fast, and next thing you know, 18, you become 21, and next thing you know, 21, you become 25, and then it's hard to not compare yourself to your surroundings and your friends. And the biggest lie we tell ourselves is that we are going to live forever and that we have all the time in the world, which is not true. Our time here is finite. Like, we don't have all the time, and this is what makes being alive special. Low key, we want things in life. I'm not gonna pretend that I don't want to kill it in this life, that I don't want nice things in this life. I would be lying to you. But most importantly, I always try to remind myself that I can't let those nice things make who I am, because it's who I am that got those nice things. And it's gonna really challenge me to get out of my comfort zone and just adapt to my environment. Our time is running out, and what we do with our life, what we leave behind, means things. You leave it for the generation after you. I tried my best not to be superficial and materialistic, but I'm human. It's hard. But as you get older, I think hopefully you start to learn things in life and realize that the things that you thought mattered to you the most really didn't matter to you that much at all. I try to tell myself every day that tomorrow's not guaranteed, so do the best you can with what you have, where you are. Doesn't matter. Just try, and if you fail, try and try again. That's really important. We all get comfortable, and being comfortable is very dangerous because we can also get complacent. So it's good to change things up every now and then. When you do that, you learn so much about yourself, and it trains yourself to deal with adversity. If things don't go our way, hey, we pivot, right? We can't make excuses, because we all have 24 hours in a day to do what we need, because in the grand scheme of things, the most important thing is that you're healthy, that you have a roof over your head, and that hopefully you have enough money to do the things that make you happy. Because adversity is how we grow. We need things to challenge ourselves. And sometimes, whether you like it or not, life does it for you automatically, man. I made sure a long time ago that I want to find a path, a career path that I wasn't pigeonholed to a 9 to 5, or I have to put in 2 weeks to get my vacation. I want to be free. I want to make my own money and do things in my own time, do things in my own terms. Also, I'm getting ready to leave January 15, which is like 6 weeks away. So I'm excited. Normally around this time, I'm already in Asia, but the tickets were just so expensive, and I'm filming a movie. So far, so good. So far, so good. I know in this channel, it seems as though like you guys come here and I'm at the gym, but this is the only place I can talk to you guys, because after the gym, I gotta edit these videos and I got other little things that I do. Life throws things to you and you're gonna have to adapt. So I couldn't make it work. That would have meant that I would have to stay for like 4 months overseas, and I couldn't do that. On the side, that can power my dreams. So that's why I'm at the gym, and that's why I'm trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. If you guys are new to this channel, I talk about all the time, like our job is to work on our mind, our spirit, our health, so that when adversity happens, we're better equipped to deal with it, because nobody in this life has it better than the next guy. Everything got pushed a month back, which is fine. I still get to go. It's just sad that I can't celebrate my birthday. I won't have time otherwise. It's just sad that I can't celebrate my birthday, Christmas, New Year's, and all that good stuff. I don't really celebrate Christmas anyways, but you know how it is. They might have more money than you, but they're still gonna have the same problems, right? They're still gonna have to deal with death. They're still gonna have to deal with adulting. They're still gonna have to deal with job. All of those things don't ever go away, at least in this life.